What's happening, everyone? This is Phil with Think Make Do, and thanks so much for tuning in to our triplex renovation series. This is episode 13, where we go and do a lot of our framing and prep work here on our upstairs 3-bedroom, 2-bath renovation. Now, if you're tuning in for the first time, this is a triplex renovation project that I am filming as a docu-series, I guess. And this main front unit, this first floor, we're doing the most extensive renovations. I'm talking down to the studs, flooring, walls, kitchen, bathroom, plumbing, electrical, everything. You name it, we got it in this renovation series. In this episode, we're doing a bunch of prep work as well as some additional framing. So all the windows in this shot you see right here, those are all coming out and being boarded up since they no longer meet our floor plan for the new renovation. We're also prepping all the walls to be 2x4. So a lot of these walls are 2x3. We're gonna bump them out to make a 2x4, and that way they are compatible with the insulation we're putting in, which is mineral wool that is a 2x4 16-inch on center bat that fits into these spacings. We are also going to finish framing out the new closet, and the closet is going to be a wall closet that takes up a portion of the pocket door assembly as well as a portion of the bedroom. You'll see that all go in, and then we're going to finish framing in the kitchen as well as add blocking for kitchen cabinets in preparation essentially for drywall to go back in. So anyway, sit tight, relax, and enjoy the show. I want to give you guys a quick progress update on where I'm at on this build, and that's because I've almost got all of my kitchen framing done. I did some demo up here and realized that this was a pretty kind of weak point in the ceiling joist structure, so I sistered it, added a new brace going across the top, or a new joist going across the top, and now this ceiling section is nice and secure and it's going to be straight. You can see that on this section it's kind of sagging in the middle, so I'm also going to reinforce that way later in the project when I get to the dining room. For now, the kitchen is just about ready to go. There's some blocking I need to input to install, and then you can see with this laser line, some of my electrical outlets are not exactly straight. So I'm going to want to update that to make it you know, match with the laser line essentially. So some of this still needs to be nailed in. This one's a little loose, blocking goes in, but that's where I'm at. The next step after that is going to be a full-scale electrical rundown on this entire place. I'll do a whole separate video on that, but anyway, let's get back to work.